Okay, here we are for another science experiment with Miss Hobbs. Today we're going to recreate an oil spill and figure out how we can clean up our ocean and keep our animals safe. Things that you will need vegetable oil, water, and a bowl. I only have like little erasers for my sea creatures, things that I have in the ocean. If you have like toys or maybe Legos or something like that you can put in your water, those are my things living in my ocean. You can also dye your water blue if you'd like to make it look more like an ocean. You can put boats in there. Any like water toy will work for this. Then if you want to make your oil dark like an oil spill, you can use chocolate powder. If you want, I'm gonna use some hot cocoa powder to mix with mine to create my oil spill. Okay. I've mixed up my oil and my cocoa powder to make it look more of what an oil spill would look like in the ocean. And bonus, I can use what's left to make hot chocolate later. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spill it into my ocean. Oh no! Oh no, my ocean is so dirty. How am I gonna clean it up? How am I gonna clean it up? Look at this. Oh, I can't get it out without it being covered dirty. How am I gonna save the crabs? How am I gonna get clean water out of here? Now for part 2 of the experiment, how to clean up the oil spill and save all the sea animals and help protect my earth. What I did is I went and I thought of maybe 4 different ways I could try and clean up the ocean. I got a paper towel, a Q-tip, you can use cotton balls too, a spoon, and a sponge. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip each of them into my oil spill and see which one gets the most oil out of the ocean. Let's start with my Q-tip. I want to see if it soaks up the oil. It does a pretty good job. It's gonna get some good stuff out. Alright, well it's gonna get some stuff out, but it looks like it's gonna take a lot and a long time. Alright, let's see. What's next? Let's try my paper towel. I'm just going to take just a corner of it. Let's see if I can get just oil out. Oh no, look at that. Look, it's going to push the oil away. Look at that. It starts to push it away. I'm just moving it around. I get just a tiny bit. I get more water than I do ocean than oil in there. I get more water than oil. Okay, so that didn't work very well. Let's try the spoon. Oh, look at that. I can see the oil stuck right in the middle of the water. So I'm getting water and oil. I'm still not really separating it. Okay. Wonder what the sponge will do. Seems like I'm just kind of pushing it around again. So far, none of those methods have really helped clean up the oil. I wonder if there's something from another experiment that helped clean our hands that maybe I can use to help clean up my ocean. Let's try and clean up using some dish soap. Let's try just a dot here in the middle. Squeeze it out. Oh, that helps so much. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I have a clean little seahorse. I can take him and go wash him up with some dish soap and my seahorse will be healthy and clean. That's one way to help move the oil so I can at least take care of my animals. Why don't you look up some ways to help clean and take care of our ocean? That's our science experiment for today. Think about maybe there's another way you can help clean up the ocean or prevent oil spills. Show me the way that you cleaned up the ocean the best that you created today. Tell me about it, send me a picture, make a little video, draw a picture. Tell me how you cleaned up the ocean today and how you can help protect our Earth. Thanks for exploring. See you next time.